Chimas all here playing some Grand Theft Auto 4.
Daddy's back, you bitches! Daddy's back, you bitches!
Dave, come on.
The fuck?
Come on. Nico, what are you
Seriously,
doing?
what the
Dave is
fuck?
not coming.
Ignore him. Come on, we gotta get this thing
Yeah,
ready
please
before we
ignore
go.
him.
Let's go.
Please, for the love of God, ignore him.
Here, pass me that. Oh yeah! There she is. Liberty City.
Yeah.
You ever been?
Nope.
No.
Crazy place, Nico.
Just ignore that.
What you going to do?
I might come back on board. Or I might try to make a go of it. Like they say, it's the land of opportunity. I always wanted to make it big. Own a nice place, get a dog, a house. Live the dream.
Like my cousin.
Oh yeah?
Yes, he's got the lot. House, women, cars, parties. He writes me in these wild emails, and after I got into trouble, I thought maybe, then I got this gig, and I spent the next 7 months with you fine people, and I forget.
The thing is, if he explains it, if one person explains it in detail, most likely they're lying. Oh, they're treating us as diamonds. Is that how rich they are? Is that why they're on a shit ship?
After the war finished, I couldn't get a job. Nobody could. So I did some dumb things, got involved with some idiots.
Ah, we all do dumb things. That's what makes us human.
Could be.
Photo 4. I have not played this in a long time, and the only two things that are annoying to me in this game is the driving. It's too slippery, and and his brother keeps fucking calling him like every 5 goddamn minutes to go bowling. I might play the other 2 episodes, because I got the episodes pack for this when I bought the game. Baldigay Tony and I can't remember the other one. Oh, Lost and Damned. That's what it is. That's it. That's it. Just give me my car.
Nico! My cousin! I can't believe
My
you!
cousin!
Welcome to America!
Bravo, Baratsaru!
What?
Good to see you, man. What?
Good to see
forget
you,
our
brother.
language?
Kabusi? Maybe a little. I've been here 10 years. You can speak English. Remember, we learned off the English girls with the big...
Little. Not so
He'll
good.
be fine. Better than myself.
Oh, one of you knows they don't bend their hands very much.
Good to see you, cousin. I can't believe you made it. Shit, I have to tell you. It quite a night last night. 2 women.
Oh wait, I hope this song isn't copyright.
Ah, I've made it.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to numb this part because this song may be copyright.
Still a touch drunk.
touch.
My cousin is here!
Whoa,
We
whoa,
got to know the
come on.
Yeah, you're definitely not fucking driving.
Just take over the world someplace else,
Yeah,
alright?
buddy.
You're in the
Take
goddamn
off.
way. Screw you all!
on,
My
man.
cousin is here! Nico Bellic! He's
He ain't drunk off his ass.
man, bitches!
I like what they did with the
To the
the cutscene. They put the names of the people that made it instead of just putting an end screen or make you watch a whole fucking bunch of credits like in movies.
Okay.
Beginning.
Hey, is this a cab? Where's the sports car?
He's in the shop! Come on!
Okay, I need audio. Is it all the fucking way off? Sorry guys, but I don't really want copyright
Let us
stuff.
to that place on Mohawk. He's just up the road. I'll let you know when we're there.
When is that damn delivery service going to get here?
The damn delivery service ain't gonna get there, bro.
Why don't you show me around the city?
Fucking terrorists!
Yeah, show me around, man.
Terrorists! There's been a big scare and you can't go across the bridges so good. You without the visa. We are passing the cab office, Nico.
Hey.
This is the business that will take us to the top of the pile.
At least they made a good excuse for you not to be able to get past the bridges until you unlock them.
Everyone like us does.
See, as I said, this stuff is
Nico, you
pretty
ever
touchy.
had 2 women at once? Or
Have you?
titties to be playing with? Misle sam da će umreti I otići right, čoveče.
Ne mogu
Have
da
you?
kažem, da imam.
What?
This is the mansion?
Just a temporary place. The mansion is coming, cousin. That's the
Really?
dream. Follow me.
Well, at least it's good to have a dream. I wish it was like Scarface, where you get a mansion at the end of it. Where you got a mansion at the end of it.
Come in, come in. Make
I remember Vice
yourself
City,
at
there actually
home.
is a
What's
Scarface
mine
mansion.
is yours.
I might actually play that on my computer.
Got him! Little bastard. If he paid some rent, I wouldn't care. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not nice. Ah,
Talk about a
cousin,
roach motel.
it's so good to see you.
Wish there are naked women on the wall.
Oh, shit. Well, I need to change anyway.
What you do is lay on your own piss or something?
So.
Everything was lies.
So, you full of crap or what?
What?
Where's luxury condo? Where's sports car? Where's Barbara with big titties and Stephanie who sucks like a vacuum?
What are you talking about?
In your letters to my mother, in your letters to me, all I hear about is Mr. Big, Mr. Roman, living the American dream. Sports cars, condos, women, money, the beach.
Not even a condom.
Opportunity. I come here, and the only thing big about your life is the cockroaches.
That's right. I got the best cockroaches. I got the best pets.
Screw you, you idiot.
Okay, I'm an idiot.
You're an asshole,
must
you know
admit,
that? You're a
I have the
fucking
best
asshole.
line in bullshit you ever heard.
Yeah, this I know, asshole.
But here, all I needed was one good guy. One good guy I could do well. Not take over the world,
Cousin.
but do okay.
His
I'm gonna have
cousin.
this. But what about you? What about you, cousin?
What about me?
What about me?
Well, why you leave home after all this time? First I hear you running with the wrong kind. Then I
'Cause
hear
it's
you
boring.
joined the merchant navy. Now you're here. You never tell me anything.
No.
What do you mean, no?
No, I never tell you anything. Another time.
Yeah, I'm tired of this cutscene.
Mystery
Another time.
man, strange and exotic sailor. What happened? Did your captain make you pregnant?
Screw you! No, it's nothing like that. The ships were fine. It was
And so are the
before
women.
2 things. You remember, during the war, we did some bad things. And bad things happened to us. War
Karma.
is
That's what it's
where
called.
the young and stupid are tricked by the old and bitter into killing each other.
Which one's
I was
Roman?
very young and very angry. Maybe that is no excuse.
No, it isn't.
Roman?
He's asleep.
Roman, are you sleeping, you fat
No.
fuck? Come on!
Shit, I've got to get the cab back. It's on the shift. Oh, Jesus, tastes like a
Wrong.
rat shot in it. Nico.
Jeez.
Rat
I've got
probably
to
did
run.
shat in it.
Come meet me at the cab office. It's
you
easy.
talking
Out the door,
about?
turn left, then the first
I
left at the diner, go down
I'm
one
losing.
block and turn right on Iroquois. Then walk all the way down, and we're right there on the left on the corner of Cisco Street. It's really flash. We got lots of titties.
I have
and
no
some
idea where the
incredible
fuck that
moguls.
is.
Nico,
Where any
give
of
me
these
a
places
hug.
are.
Good to have you here, cousin. I've got something for you. Oh, damn. Yes, Vlad. Sorry. Forgive me, okay? No, please
Vlad's
don't
his
cut the
bitch.
talk off. Okay, Vlad.
He's Vlad's bitch. I mean.
Okay.
Okay, off the boat. I can't move. I can't fucking move. There we go. Sleeping in bed will save a game in advance time by 6 hours. Flashing arrow on the radar shows where you meet Roman. Yeah, I know this. I've played the game before. Is there any way you can skip like this intro shit? Okay. There we go. Oh, goddamn. Oh, there's a nice car down there. I can steal that. Hey, no. Say vehicles here. You can get food and replenish your health. I gotta say, this is one of the more creative games in Rockstar, but it just has some annoyances that are just too annoying. There we go. I've gotten too used to Far Cry. I was pressing A to go. Just want to jump out of a moving car. I don't want to jump out of a moving car yet. His fault. I knew it. It's your call.
Come on, big guy, either do some work or get out of here. We don't need jokers. Screw you!
Screw you.
Baby, when I look into your eyes, it means something. I see little Romans. I see little Mallorys. I see stars. I
Really
see
talking about
angels.
marriage already?
In my homeland, we have a saying.
Yeah, we got one too. You're a fag.
You shouldn't have kept your thumb on the trigger.
How could I take you seriously?
Very difficult, I think. Hello, Roman. Hello, miss.
Mallory, this is
Cousin
my
comes
cousin
in to
I tell you
ruin
about,
and
Nico.
completely obliterate his
Nico,
chances.
This is Mallory, the beautiful girl I tell you about. See? Not everything I tell you is bullshit.
I bet most of it was.
Hey.
I hope you're less full of shit than your cousin.
Yeah, like
over
98% of it
This
was
is the
bullshit.
woman that I'm going to marry.
Probably only the
Whatever you
names are
say.
are the true thing.
there. Brad.
Hey, Vlad, great. You're fucking crazy, man.
You should lose few pounds. Otherwise, this
So should you, Vlad.
going to leave.
I know. I'm a fat prick. What can I do?
Pay you debts?
I will do, man. We spoke of this.
No, we didn't speak. You spoke. Then you say your phone out of batteries. You treat me like a bitch.
Never. I
'Cause you
treat
are a
like
bitch.
an idiot, not a bitch, huh?
I guess it's true.
You know, he treated you like a
The
bitch, he would
beautiful
try to
woman
sweet
do
talk
like
you.
the guys with a funny sense of humor.
I'm laughing.
I'll get you the money.
I know. And Roman,
But
Tell
when?
this fucking yokel here, if he doesn't stop staring at me, I'll have his head chopped off and put a film of it on the internet.
Put a film of it? You mean a video of it?
Oh, good. Great.
Yeah, fantastic. Look, say what you like, but at least that guy knows how to speak to a lady.
Yes,
See,
he's
ladies
all
respond to
charm.
you
Come
talking
on,
like they're
Nico,
terrible
let's go.
pieces of
Darling,
shit.
I'll see you later. I've got to
At
take
least
my
that's what
cousin around some
it's
more.
every
Get
time
him
I
set.
fucking see shit like that, that's what happens. Yeah, I'm driving, you drunk piece of shit.
To a hardware store on Dillon Street.
Doing some home improvements, Roman. You're going to build this mansion you tell me about?
Oh,
Yeah,
funny
sure.
guy. We're going to get money. In America, you need money to do anything. You're taking me
anywhere
to a
you need
backup
money to do
game
anything.
Where I'll win all the dollars we need to really see this town. Nightclubs, women, titties.
You can play, right? Ti si dobar u ovoj igri?
I am the best. I kick all the asses
I didn't do
that
it.
play me. They call me the janitor.
Because
you
can't
clean up.
pay your debts and they make you mop the floor?
Yep.
Never uvadno.
Funny. No, I'm the janitor because I always clean
You're
up.
the janitor.
I always win. Get it?
Chistach naravno. I seriously hope your cards are better than your nicknames.
Nico,
I
wait
seriously
for me
hope
here
they're
while I go
better than
inside
his
to clean
lying.
up. Shit, I almost forgot. I'm giving you my old phone. My new number's in there.
Blood on the front.
Call me if some Albanians show up in some shitty beige Willard. Those are the guys I owe money to.
Okay.
Do not hurt them. I know what you're like, Nico Bellic.
You and your debts, Roman.
Just Albany on the front of the car.
Nika drugačije.
Speak English, you're in America. Need to burn out. Phone book, Roman messages. Okay then, he called me.
It's so quiet out here, Roman. You winning? Molinte reci da.
Don't worry, I'm getting so many bullets it's like I'm an AK. Miss McCool.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I didn't make you wait out here so fucking long for that gray car.
And this must be the loan sharks.
Yep.
Cousin, two guys are going in the store. I think they are the loan sharks you speak of.
Speak of.
I'm down.
You better get out of there.
All right, I'm coming.
Shit, Nico, it's them. They must have been told I was here.
Get in the car,
You're
Roman.
in much trouble, Bellic.
Get in the car.
Remember, do not hurt the loan sharks. The debt will just increase. Get us back to the depot, quick! Ah! Coño!
Do the old turnaround.
All right, cousin.
Really? You're
I'll
worried
lose
about
them.
shoes?
Sada nije tako teško.
Just like the old days, eh?
In the old days, we were dodging bombs, not loan
Not
sharks.
bullets.
Just drive. Leave the funny comments to me. Do you think they saw me?
Of course they saw you. I mean,
They wouldn't have knew
you're
you
a
were there, they
distinctive
weren't.
man, Roman.
That is why the ladies love me. Fuck those Shylocks. They'll get their money. They just have to wait.
We should stand up to them. Gideti e bonus.
Nico,
Fuck you, random car.
You don't understand the way things work.
What I hate in the Grand Theft Auto series is that the cars
We are
stop
at the
when you hit
bottom of
them.
the ladder, man. These
And it just
thugs
keep going.
push us around, but they are not to be feared. We're here. Oh, you like your phone? Maybe one day
No,
you get a
it's
premium
shit.
quality one like mine. Then you will have really made it.
Yep, we
I
both
can
got shot.
only wish.
See you later, cousin.
I'll keep the cab. Okay, I might do that later. So am I just driving around or do I have to go back to the house or something? I might have to go back to the house. Fuck you. Okay. Okay, and there's the Roman shit. Okay, he just sent me a text. Pull up your phone. Shit, need help. Come quick, depot, quick man, Roman. And you ain't gonna ram shit, shut the fuck up. There's actually a person I could pick up, really? Up, and my dad's yelling at my dog. I don't know why.
come on, Daddy, what's your problem?
I don't have problem. You do.
No, that's my new-ish computer.
It's not my friend, it's my lawn shark!
Stop this! What of that?
Who are you?
Get out of
That's
here.
gonna whoop your ass.
My arm! Oh!
What about you?
Come on!
Yeah, you don't got your knife now.
Help me!
Get out of here now! And if you come back, I'll kill you! You understand?
You forgot
Yeah, I think they
this,
understand now.
you Albanian pricks!
Stranya!
Shit, Nico. What did you do?
He was going to
I
stab
broke his
me.
damn
Now
arm.
he's going to kill you!
Fuck him!
Look at this mess. Screwed. Again. You want to know why I'm not living in a nice condo, banging for women? It's because of shit like this. Assholes threatening me.
Shut up!
So you're up to your dick in loan sharks, that's why?
Oh, great. Mallory. Hey, beautiful.
Hey, look, it's an iPhone.
Yeah, great. Listen, I'm having a bit of a problem at the office. I can't do it. Nico can do it.
Huh? What?
What
Why
can
would
I
you
do?
want me then?
Fucker? Because I'll do that.
Well, screw you then. Great girl. Can you do me a favor? Mallory needs a lift. Can you go pick her up at the Hove Beach subway station?
Yeah, sure.
Take the cab. She's got a friend with her. Maybe someone you can date.
Fuck you.
Oh, man.
No,
look at
fuck her.
this
That's what I'm
crap,
gonna
my
do.
computer and everything.
Just throw the computer out. You need a new one. Looks like you need a new one anyways. And let's head off. Ah, shut the fuck up. It was a red light. Fucking hell. Cars are too fucking slick for this. Need more grip. Oh, we have to wait for him. Oh, I had to sound my horn.
Get in, ladies.
Hey, Nico, thanks for coming. I should have known Roman would find some excuse not to turn up. This is Michelle.
Hi,
Hi, Michelle.
how are you? I live on Rotterdam Hill up on Mohawk Avenue. You know where that is?
Yeah, sure. No idea where it is, but I got a GPS. Apparently every car in this town has a GPS.
Not exactly what I expected.
Nico, you know what? You need someone to show you a good time. Michelle, how about you?
Valerie, stop it.
Come on, you guys.
Shit.
You're both single. You're adults. Take a number, Nico.
Hey, I'd like to see you again, Nico. You look like that kind of guy I want to get to know.
You look like you just jumped off the boat, Nico. Handsome man
I
like you
did.
should get some new threats.
I think he looks fine the way he is.
I don't think he even changed out of those things on the journey. How you gonna impress a classy girl like Michelle?
I'm easily impressed.
I know you are, sweetie. And I just don't get it.
There you go.
Thanks for the lift, Nico.
Yeah,
No problem.
thanks. Give me a call sometime.
See you soon, Michelle.
Goodbye. Oh, I just got something. Get me some new digs.
Cousin, I dropped the girls off. The friend gave me her number, but I don't think Mallory likes my clothes so much.
I know just the place for you. It's on Mohawk in Hull. Go and get something a bit more 21st century.
Oh shit! You gotta be fucking kidding me. I nick something and my fucking car turns over. Gotta get away from it because I know it's gonna blow up. Oh god! Okay, bitch, I'm taking your car.
Relax.
Get out of it, I take it.
Son, you kidnapping a real street cat. I'm telling you.
I don't care. I'm kidnapping, I'm kidnapping, just taking you with me because you didn't get out. God damn
I
it.
got nothing to do with your dispute.
Yeah, I know you don't. Stupid fucking cars do, though. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Okay, get a straight shot and just go. Damn these fucking cars. Slipping around like a motherfucker. Couldn't have sent me to a better place than this. There we go. Can buy clothes from various clothes shops throughout Liberty City. Yeah, that's pretty damn relevant. Everything looks the fucking same here. Terrible. Oh, my friend's online. Oh, no, that was aim. These jeans. Oh, leather jackets. See what those look like. Okay, let's go to these fire jackets then. Fight jackets. Yeah, could work.
Yes, good choice.
We try glasses. Okay. Pick up the other pair. Now I go back to the other ones. The other ones are fine. To buy glasses,
You
12
will look
bucks.
good in this. I can tell. You shave, yes?
Yeah. Shut the okay, no. Be glad I don't have a gun, because I would kill you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave that episode here, because I'm coming up on 30 minutes after this call.
Hey, Roman, I got some clothes. It looks like they brought the stuff in from the old country, though.
We must take what we get. When the big money rolls in, then we will look real classy. Anyway, you have Michelle, a classy girl
Yeah, I
for
do.
your arm. You should definitely keep dating her.
I will. I'm not dating her now. Okay, guys. Like, favorite, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. See you guys later. Goodbye.